Good morning, welcome to our website. As you can see, infogestion is a group of consultant experts on Excel. Today we are going to show you some video of our development and of some optimized spreadsheet. So we start with a big dashboard that we developed for an international company. So they had an export from the software. Here we are with of course a lot of lines with 100,000 lines, and the macro will split the period and organize all the product and the group companies. And also with this spreadsheet here, it organizes the group companies and the group of the product. Then he open the dashboard models and he goes to the menu here. They just click here and he import and organize all the database from the two spreadsheets that you just saw before. Here we are. Then we can go to directly to the dashboard here, and here now they just can ask the data if they want to see the Q3, the Q4, and calculate it automatically to see other calculation, brand or region strategic, and of course the plan and statistic from client. Then on this dashboard the client have this map of Europe with an image by countries, and the idea was to color from the figures if they had negative or positive difference. So if they had like 50% less, we try to make it difference like this. And now we can automatically color the map from the countries and the name of the countries with just this button. As you can see, the colors change. And now we're going to show you some kind of consolidation. So the client have this model of result by client or by account, depends what you need, and they had this file many times. Here we are just 5, but the client had like 100. So they open this file, and clicking here it consolidated all the file directly on this spreadsheet with just a click here. So with this kind of macro we can consolidate all your companies from all your groups. Now we show you an example of our timesheet. So this client have here before this one some number of projects with clients and the task that we have to do for the clients or for the project, and it's just one file that it's already saved in the same file, and the user open the timesheet here, and when it's opening it update the project and the task, and it makes like this here automatically the project and the task, and after that they can of course fill in the project directly. Here we are putting the date. Oops. as you can see. Then we have a dashboard here, and with this dashboard, the client, here we are, update, the client can automatically consolidate all the timesheet from a date to another date, and with this we can after that organize a pivot table or organize a timesheet, dashboard, everything we want. Now we show you an example of an offer that it's organized with a big price list. So they go to the quotation, and the needs for the client was to, if you change the language, the tutorials and the products change also the language automatically, as you can see, make a PDF automatically, and here they ask the description with the references, asking all the other spreadsheet here. Then they okay, next we show you another dashboard. So the client had this export from the data from the software with a spreadsheet by month here, with of course 10,000 line normally, and the dashboard that they open here. Here we are. If we just take this out, so the client clicking here, and all the macro will update the figures with all the column by month in only one spreadsheet with year n, so year n minus 1. And here we build a dashboard with watch 10 client, budgeting, analyze the column what you want, and of course the cockpit dashboard. Next, this one with a report from a visiting client, kilometers, food and stuff. So the client had this like 100 times per week. Here we are just 4, and now we created a macro to compilate all this file to insert this to another software. By clicking here, he asks all the files, as you can see, and it organizes all the data, and now the client can just upload this to his software. Next we present you the last dashboard here, another extraction from SIP. And the client had this database dashboard here, and so it needed to upload from the people, and by clicking here it updates another column here, watching of course the number of the employer and of course the company, and after that we can organize the figures and analyze it by clicking what you want to go as a department. Here we are, application, and of course all the services also. And now for just the last example that we have done here, a macro to organize kind of a mailing, but including some spreadsheet. So here we had the database with the client with the languages, and here we organize a text. So here was a file with all the other spreadsheet of Excel to here, and here we organize the file where the PDF for presentation by languages, English, French, Italian. And now the client, when they click here, we open Outlook before. Here we are. And now by clicking here, we had this in a draft, organized all the mail for the client directly with the languages for the file and the Excel file. So thank you very much to listening us, and don't hesitate to call us or just fill in here to the contact form and we will call you back with no problem in 24 hours. Thank you very much. Bye.